And from 1926, it's volume 14. Oh, what's going on? Oh, cause of my BA. And classic one down here. Or is that a... I'm not sure. $18 by... Yeah, about... No. About 18 by 18. However, this wire that's going down there, I'm not sure, man. I think we are starting off with a big drain, though. Either way. But I don't see any type of sump pump in there. So, yep, we're starting off with a big drain. There's one from 20. Go away, little life highlights. Little fireplace there. And there's the drain. Just a normal one. And there's the alarm. Second gen IC67. Could be worse. Could be a lot worse. And there, that's either SA125 or SA90 LT. Let's see. I'm guessing SA125. It's amazing. The first house I saw, this volume, big drain. The 26, but we just saw that one. So here's one from 1911. I like the color of that tile, especially the blue one there. Madison Elementary School in Janesville still has that color. Remember they did when my sister Jess went there, and then a couple years ago in the Janesville, Wisconsin Facebook group, they were posting about a class reunion. And I mentioned that, and the teacher who worked there said, "You still have that color." Oh, there's the drain, just a Tyler one. It's actually in good shape. It's not rusted. One from 23. Or we just see this one? No. Because we didn't come on the front porch. Fan there, but to me it looks like a newer one. So. Here goes the microwave. Uh-oh. Oh, come on. That's all we get to see of that room. No. Yeah, I think there might be another big drain down there. Under there, folks. Well, there's a normal drain. Yeah, I think there just might be one under there. Under that white tarp or whatever it is. We have one confirmed, one possible. Here's the 33. Ah, there's the drain. It's a normal one. Ooh, Bose wave radio. Nice. This one from 41. Oop, there we go. 201-401C from 80. Another apartment. So it's a multi-level one though. Another 94618 alarm. Fired. V14 in here. Really cool apartment. Imagine the rent would be ridiculous. 2 levels and 2 bedrooms down here, and I think there's a couple up here too. Be more for a family. Maybe not. Just the bedrooms are down there. Still, that'd be nice for like me. I could have all my music stuff over here. And come down here. Like have this room for my alarms and fans and stuff. And then this room, of course, for the bedroom. And of course, the nice thing is, come down here, close the door. I can sound the alarms all I want. 1906. Ooh, was that a big drain down there, or was that just a rug? Get a wireless interconnect. We'll take that over the Cosmo and stuff like that any day. No, that was a floor mat. No, that was your drain. Right outside the shower there, it's a normal one. Let's go to this one from 85. Oh, there's the alarm. Fire exit of some sort. There's a red in there. Might be. Let's see if I can get over here. Am I seeing red? I think I might be seeing red. Well, there's red there, but I think that's just a artifact. You can see the horn though. So it is like an FX 1020, given from 03. Oop, 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 oop. Let's see. C100. Or no, ES7. Finally, first vintage and cool smoke alarm I found tonight. Here's one for 25. Ooh, curse detector. And even worse, it's one of the I-4618s. Again, you know how easily those things go off. That's one thing people talked about when we were doing our remodeling. They asked if we could have it changed or the alarms moved. And an incomplete basement scan. Stupid man. Yeah, they were asking if they could have the smoke alarms moved, but they said they'd have to use a wire mold and make it look ghetto. Well, they had to do that anyway. They'll put it in the detector in the bedroom. And of course, they had to use wire mold for the fire alarm speakers too. It was not available. There's one for 51 then. Regulator clock. Well, we've got one. I'm not sure if it's an actual regulator because it doesn't have the name on it. Oh, God, it might be. It's like the 5th one today I've seen. There's the drain. Normal class 5. Aww. Looks like there was an SS750 or something like that there, and then at least there's a either Cool One 2000 or the Kidder variant. And I just got an update for this app which fixed a bug that I noticed. iPad version. So for example, if I went to another city here, like here, oh, I guess there's no results, but nothing would show up. Even if there were results, like for example there, nothing would show up, so I'd have to go for rent, then back to for sale, then that make it show up. Well, that got fixed, because I noticed when I went to update it this morning, one of the the reviews. The guy mentioned that. So let's go to this one from 50. Oh no, you don't autoplay. Run off low life highlights. Here we go. A little older power detectors. Doorbell. Like a smoke alarm here on the mall. Not promising though. Nope, of course, caught an IBA. Undefined year. Whoa. It's been untouched. Oh, and yep, with the smoke alarm too. RC. Nice. Again, I've always liked those. I've always liked the 76 RCs. Let's go down to the basement. See what it's like down here. Oh, there's the drain. Well, it's kind of a good sized one, but not a real big one. Man, if we can find a really, really, really big one somewhere. Let's see, there's no alarm down here. Illegal red flyer. Oh, wait. There's another alarm there. One of the biggest drain I've ever seen in a basement, not in person, but in a picture. It was one from some European country. It was a drain that went from one wall to the other. Well, not the whole floor, of course. It was just from one wall to the other. It was like a comparison. Like, would you rather live in this house from somewhere in Central America without a drain, or this house in Europe that had a huge drain? But you know, when I googled big basement floor drain, it seems to be gone now though. They're from 1906. Uh-oh. Possible? Nope. Gas leak. And I get excited that it might be a fire call, but then gas leak. Oh, there's the drain. Just one of those. The one over here too. Yep. And no, I think that's another sump pump. Maybe. Three feet and 2.2. If this is a drain, yeah. 4518, the alarm. Yeah, I wonder. Let me check. Here's one from Model Not Available 39. 52 then. Model Not Available there. 3 in a row. Here we go for 4, 1915. Nope. Streak broken. And that wasn't even worth it anyway. Stupid fucking cause of my IBA. Yep, there's a 77R based alarm. Oh, that was weird. Feedback from the scanner transmission. You're going. Oh, the lifesaver with the light on it. Why is it on the wall? I'm still hoping we can find a CD400. Or the FB3L with the Power Alarm Guardian with the light. That thing looks really cool. basement. I think that's just holes. Plus the drain's right there anyway. ASCO V14. Speaking of trying to get rid of the autoplay. Oh, just USI though. Oh, that's the big slope. Not like that one in Albert Lee though that we saw, or that one in Iowa. 56. Maybe, maybe not. Not sure. Oh, this one from 79. Oh, there's a Honeywell. And probe with light. CD200. A fan, but definitely a modern one. From 55. Little oil life highlights. There's the drain, just a normal one. Let's go up to this one from 86. That's cool. Oh, there we go. 1839, or no, 1839 ACI. And SCO1 there. Oh, duh, get a picture of it. I like the way it's got the living room here, and then you can look up to the dining room. The ceiling fan down here. It looks like a newer one, so it might not be anything cool. There's a 45 18 from 79. Oh, that's cool. That's really cool, actually. Fan, it looks like a newer one, yeah. And smoke alarm. Nothing! Just a kid of there, but I wonder what they had. There was an alarm there. Let's see if we can figure out down here. Looks like we're just gonna get a 990/30 there. Whoa! It's one of those, what is it? The DS700 or something like that. System detector. And there was a kit of bracket there. Yeah, how about the drains probably behind the curtains? There's one for 55. Like weird cat litter things. Cat litter capsules. Something from the Jetsons or something. Oh! Whoa, look at that fan. That's something interesting. It's from 57. Oh, I'm seeing something. So dark. Can't tell if it's Black & Decker or one of those cool security force ones. I think it is a security force one because that looks like a reflection of a clear button now. Nice. That'd probably be the find of the day, at least so far. I'd like to find one sometime. I think I mentioned they used to be sold at Menards. See if they have one down here. All the good stuff's in that curtained area. Pretty nice bedroom. Can't find a smoke alarm though. Oh, there's one of those tornado fans there. Those are nice. I have one cooling me off every single night in my window. I think you've seen it before, maybe not. If not, here it is right here. There's no alarm down here. Oh, wait, was that something there? No. Can't find any other alarms. Cool though. 278. Oh, what do we have here? CC49, I do believe. Let's see. Oh, it's running. It's operating. Oh, we're way too far in. Yeah, you can see the red. It's operating. Let's see what we have down here. Yeah, it looks like just a SA67 second gen, but could be worse. For 67. Oh, wait, is that a detected by the light, or is that just a light fixture? Nope, it's a detected by the light. Another TC49, which I think is operating. There's the drain. Tyler. No, G6. Could be worse. Here's some fans. To me, they look newer ones. Look like newer ones. Well, maybe not. Here's one for 73. Let's see what we have. It's probably the last installment of this volume. House fan and second gen HC67. And this fan here. That one, I'm not sure if those are anything cool. The doorbell's a newer one. Let's see what's downstairs though. And double door is pretty cool. Oh, there we go. F900 first gen. Or an equivalent. It could be the Radio Shack version, the Universal SS600, or the Intermatic. I think there was another version of it too. Or, of course, could be the one like mine, like the transitional F900. Here's one from 70. What do we have? No. Second gen SA67. Downstairs we'll have a rare one. Hey, what did I say? GE A201-401. This Sunday we're gonna go to my nephew's place. He just got a new house. I think he closes tomorrow, and they're gonna move in Friday and Saturday. We're gonna go visit it Sunday, and we'll have a big party and stuff. But it's a newer house, so. Dark Viper AU, what are the chances of it having rare old alarms?
It is millions to one!
Yep. Yeah, that G is pretty cool. There you go. Alright, that's the end of this volume, folks. Thanks for watching.